A neon purple vector cuts diagonally across a heavily distorted, skewed blue grid, straining against the canvas. Suddenly, a series of crimson filter lines slide over the space like a mechanical lattice, instantly snapping the grid flat, dropping the unskewed purple arrow perfectly onto a standard, clean horizontal axis as the surrounding distortion vanishes. At its core, working with vectors in a physical or mathematical space is a struggle against distortion. When we define a custom coordinate system, whether we are tracking the jagged diagonal shearing of a geological fault line or capturing the cross-contaminated, bleeding wavelengths of light on a digital camera sensor, our physical building blocks, the tangent or primal basis, become skewed. They overlap, lean into one another, and create a slanted grid where raw numbers lie awkwardly across standard boundaries. If you look at this raw data directly, it is muddy, washed out, and geometrically messy. You cannot extract clean information from a distorted world by using the same distorted tools that built it. To solve this, the universe introduces a mathematical inverse, a perfect balancing act known as the dual basis. If the primal basis vectors stretch and skew space, the dual basis vectors act as an engineered system of counterweights, rotating and stretching in a precise compensation effect, governed by the Kronecker delta. The dual basis does not build the vector. It probes it. It behaves as a highly selective, mathematical sieve. Because each dual vector is engineered to be perfectly perpendicular to every coordinate axis except its own, it possesses a geometric blind spot for unwanted data. When you run a raw, cross-contaminated vector through this dual filter via a dot product, the filter completely annihilates the components in the wrong directions. The overlapping noise is blocked out, the angled grid is instantly unskewed and flattened under the hood, and the exact scalar measurement you need drops straight down onto a clean, independent axis. Without this selective filtering, multi-dimensional space collapses into a blind, 1D line where independent perspectives are lost. The dual basis is the quiet, hidden machine that flattens the distortion, transforming a messy, interconnected physical reality into pure, isolated, and readable components.